No, I'm the doctor.
Hey guys, Thomas Blue here, and today we will be reviewing this, the Fourth Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, which is amazing. This is the original release, not the re-release, and it comes with a holographic card, Sonic Screwdriver, some batteries, and it says, "The Fourth Doctor masked his brilliancy and inventive mind behind a facade of bohemian and eccentricity. He was forced to change his body after losing a fight with his own enemy, the Master, and falling from a radio telescope to the ground beneath him." So we get a nice view window of this, and it says on the back, 2004 with the legal stuff. And there's a picture of how to activate it. It says, hold down the collar to activate. It also says the Sonic Screwdriver is a tool and defense device first used by the Doctor in his second incarnation for opening hatches, panels, and controls. Later, it included cutting through wall sections and even used as a conventional screwdriver. During the Third Doctor's exile on Earth, he had a larger and more elaborately detailed version, which had decorated with a silver handle and black and yellow stripes. This version had even more functions, including detecting security traps, remote detonation of mines, opening doors and restraints, creating ignition sparks, again removing screws and fixtures. Later, the Fourth Doctor remade yet another single similarity of the screwdriver, but with many more features and functions, including micro-soldering of circuitry, cutting wires and bulkheads, and even detonating Dalek explosives. So, enough of that. Let's get it open really quick. And I gotta not cut it too bad, because I like the box and I want to keep it. So just cut along the side. Just like this. I cut down the side over here with, so, and slip out the screwdriver itself. And I get the card. So, come on, card. Come out. I hate difficult packaging. It really is annoying. There. Okay, so first, let's take a look at the card. So, okay, so you get Tom Baker, and you can kind of see the TARDIS and logo coming through, because if you tilt it, you get Doctor Who, and if you tilt it all the way this way, you can see the TARDIS. So I think it's really cool, because I love it, and on the back is just black with legal stuff. But if you ask me, it's a really nice addition. And this is one of the reasons I actually want the old version, because it has a picture of the intro of Tom Baker, Doctor Who logo, and the TARDIS. So, yeah. Let's put that on the TARDIS. No, it's not gonna stay. Okay. We get some instructions, which tell you how to insert the batteries. Wonderful. And I just gotta take the beautiful screwdriver out of its beautiful packaging, just because I do. And the batteries. So, come on out, batteries. And now for the difficult part, inserting the plastic back into the box. There. beautiful. Whoops. Now that we got that done, we got the beautiful, amazing screwdriver here. And trusty other screwdrivers that are not sonic will be used to open the screwdriver. The chunky better compartment and little garb on the bottom. So let's get this done. I gotta open it up from the bottom, as demonstrated here. You need a small screwdriver, relatively. Hopefully these batteries work, because I don't have any more of these. So, negative, it looks like. So, I assume that's how it works. No, not gonna work. Okay, so how do we do this again? This is positive. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we got it done. We're just gonna screw this in. So, we got the beautiful screwdriver here. And we pull out the collar. So, how you hold it, I assume, is if you hold it like this. And you hold it down. Now, the sound effect is a little different than what it should sound like. So, one sec, because I like it, but at least it doesn't have like 5 different sound effects that are all wrong, like the Wheelies. Because it's supposed to sound something like this when I get it up on my iPod. Come on, work. Sonic you to work. No, it's opening a new window. I shouldn't have Sonic did. Work. Work. Come on. Sit it up. Okay, so this is this model. We're gonna turn up the volume. That, I think, is what it should sound like. So, but the Sonic does many things for the Doctor, but there's some things it can't do. Because sometimes, like in the clip I'm about to show you, it can't do everything.
Even the sonic screwdriver won't get me out of this one.
Is this working? Alright, okay. So, as you can see, that even this and this both have kind of inaccurate sound effects. But, like, in Genesis the Daleks, he has, a soundboard sounding extremely similar to the 10th Doctor. But, so his song alternates, so it could have this sound effect in the show. I mean, Tom Baker is my favorite Doctor of all time, but I haven't seen all of his things because I only got into Doctor Who this year in January. But I already have a pretty big collection of stuff for it. I have a lot of books, quite a few DVDs, lots of action, quite a few action figures. Anyway, so would I recommend this? Of course I would. It's like, it's amazing. It's like 10 times better than this, even though the Torian can actually interfere with things. You can go around anywhere being like, oh no, this drawer is locked. Sonic, it's open now. Or, oh no, this box is locked. It's open now. Or, oh no, the tourniquet is locked. Now it's open. Whoops. Or, oh no, Tom Baker has shrunk. Okay, even I can't do that. Okay. Or, you want to play, make this card be hologram? Now it's hologram. Use your imagination. So, buy this if you can find it. Now, the only place I can really find this version, not the re-release on, is Doctor Who North America. And it's actually a decent price. It's like $22. On here it says $24.95, but that's how much it really is with shipping. So if you can, pick this up. It's not a necessity, but for any Tom Baker 4th Doctor fan, I would say definitely get it. So, this is Thomas Blue saying, see you all next time. Goodbye.
It's the end.